Need to capture your screen on Windows 11? Here's how to take screenshots quickly and easily. Go to the screen that should be captured and press the keys Windows plus Shift plus S simultaneously. A new small tab will be present on the upper side of the screen with 4 types of screen capturing techniques. Click on the third option, Window Snip, to capture the whole screen of the system, and it will be saved automatically. On your keyboard, press these keys simultaneously to open the Xbox game bar. Press Windows plus G. The Xbox game bar will open on the upper side of the screen. Click on the fourth option, Capture there to get some more options. Now, under the Capture section, you will get a camera option. Click on that to take a screenshot of the present screen. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.